This is a Fox 17 winter weather alert.
And we are tracking the coldest air we've seen in 6 years that will be gripping West Michigan over the next couple of days. Checking out the live view, downtown Holland, a little bit of light snow coming together. Inland areas, visibility is great. Still looking at dry weather in downtown Grand Rapids. As you can see here on our live Doppler radar, we do have the snow bands pretty much hugging the lakeshore from southwestern Muskegon into western Ottawa, Allegan, down into Van Buren, Cass, and even into St. Joseph County. So once again, we are looking at the snow, the heaviest this morning and most widespread well off to the west of US 131. And this is going to be lake effect snow that will be with us, as you can see, off to our west. Clear skies from Wisconsin to Minnesota, back into Iowa and the Dakotas. And that's where we do have temperatures that are running below zero already. And those wind chills off to our west and northwest are running as cold as 40 to almost 45 below zero. Winter weather advisory in effect already for our lakeshore counties, inland areas. This will kick into effect at 4 o'clock this afternoon. And this is going to be a long duration winter weather event. So during the course of the day today, we're going to pick up a good 2 to 8 inches of lake effect snow, heaviest of that in areas to the west and southwest of Grand Rapids because of that northwesterly wind direction. Wind chills today, we'll see the air temps drop into the single figures. So wind chills by later tonight will be down to around zero, single digits above to just below zero. By Monday, widespread lake effect snow will start coming inland because of that more westerly wind component. And so that's going to bring the snow bands inland a little further, about 2 to 4 inches of snow widespread, and then another 2 to 4 inches of snow during the day Tuesday. And the core of the coldest air will be with us Monday night, Tuesday into Tuesday night. So once again, this is going to be a long duration event. Temperatures currently this morning are holding in the at least in most places in the teens above zero, but you can certainly see how the core of the coldest air is really starting to gather some strength off to our north and west. Here's a look at those current wind chills in the single figures above zero this morning. And again, those wind chills as cold as 35 to almost 45 below zero off to our north and west. Upper level steering winds buckling to our south, and that's why we are seeing the air being transported in so aggressively as we head into late Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The core of the coldest air will start to retreat. It'll open the door for some modification to occur. So we're going to warm up a little bit. No real warm air in sight for us anytime soon, but at least temperatures will be back into the positive territory. So that will be some good news. Here's a look at the snowfall we're anticipating. This is through Wednesday at 6 o'clock. Along the lakeshore, there'll be some places that pick up at least 1 foot to 1.5 feet of snow. The further east you go, the less snow you're going to see. But most of us will pick up at least 3 to 6 inches of snow out of this event. And then as we head into the end of the week and weekend, a few isolated snow showers aren't impossible for Wednesday and Thursday, but really that should not be a huge event for us. By Friday, we're dry once again, up to 30 degrees on Saturday, and that 8 to 14 day outlook, which takes us through February 1st, you can see a whole lot of the country with temperatures that will be much below average.